What's up, Squad? It's your girl Jayana. I'm back with another banger. I hope you guys enjoy this Get Ready With Me. I haven't done a Get Ready With Me yet on this channel, so it's actually kind of fun being able to record this. I'm actually getting ready to go to work, so yeah. So right now I'm just doing my eyebrows with my tiny little eyebrow pencil that I need to get a new one. I don't know what my dog is going through back there. I'm also eating dinner because I am getting ready to go to work, and I think I was going in at 3 this day, so sometimes I don't know if I'll get off in time to be able to eat dinner or if I should just eat before I go so I'm not starving the whole time while I'm at work. By the way, you guys, we finally hit 50 subscribers, and I'm so excited for this journey. It took me such a long time to get here, and I know it's not a lot of subscribers, but anyone who's started a YouTube channel knows how hard it was to get your first 50 or 100, even first 1,000 subscribers. So I just feel like there's so much awaiting for me in the future. I have no idea what's going on with my dog. But can we take the time to appreciate this eyebrow? I do need to get them done though, they look bad. Also, ignore that raccoon's nest on my head. I know it's horrible. I say raccoon's nest, definitely meant bird's nest, but I know it looks horrible. I just blow dried my hair the night before, and I wanted my hair to breathe a little, so it just looks like a mess. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you want to see from me. I have a lot of ideas, but I still want to know what you guys want. Anything specific, I'd love to know. Comment down below if you got Disney Plus and you've been binge watching That's So Raven like I have. All girls know the struggle of having eyebrows that are sisters and not twins. Like, if someone has a secret to making my eyebrows twins, let me know. Drinking some cranberry juice. If you know, you know. I thought I was so cool. This is the first time you guys are actually seeing me use my liquid foundation. I don't usually use it because this color is a bit brighter than mine. I got it matched during the winter, so this color typically matches my skin better in the winter time. So I don't usually use it any other time of the year. I usually just use my powder, but I figured why not see if it'll match right now, and it does for the most part. There are some places where it's a little too bright, but other than that, I think it's matching pretty good. Gotta beat that face. Just looked at the time and saw that, you know, I only had a couple more minutes to get dressed, so I won't be late to work. Normally I conceal, then I apply my foundation, but I just did something different on accident. Just going in with my powder, just because I don't like my face to be too shiny. And I still want to make sure that my skin tone looks even. Don't forget your neck. Don't forget your neck, child. Now I'm going in with my Mocha Mix eyeshadow palette that I got from the beauty supply store. Let me know in the comments if you think I've gotten better with my makeup since the last video I made. Just trying to make sure it's blended and even. Obviously, I'm still Obviously, I'm still new to doing my makeup, so I do have a hard time trying to make sure it's all even on both sides and making sure it's high enough and not too high at the same time. So, still learning. It's a process. Just kind of trying to fix the sides a little. I got a little bit on my nose, so you know how that be. I know you're not supposed to tug on your eye because wrinkles and everything, but this is the only way I can do it right now, so don't judge. Honestly, I wish I knew how to apply lashes. It's not that I don't know how to apply them. It's that my eyelashes are so curly that it's just a struggle, and it's so much work. But if you guys want to see a video on applying lashes with extremely curly lashes, I will make that for you. But I think I'm the only person with that struggle. Gotta slick that bun up. Slick girl, slick it. Honestly though, my hair does not stay slicked up. Like, you know those girls, they do their really slick ponytails or something, and it's just flat and slick and chic. Yeah, my hair does not do that. I'm sure there's a trick to it, but it's not one I've learned. Got my purple scrunchie to match my purple eyeshadow because I'm just that extra. And yeah, scrunchies and little bobo thingies are my aesthetic. I'm not a visco girl though. I'm just weird. Extra, not weird. Let me know in the comments if you have one side of edges that look way better than the other side, like all the time. Because my right side always looks better than my left side, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed so I can get the angles better, or because I sleep on my left side so the left side of my hair is just harder to control. I really don't even know, because my right side of my hair also has a more defined curl pattern than the left side of my hair does. I don't know. I think it's because I sleep on that side, but I'm just applying that highlighter that I took on my, on my face. I'm just putting it on my eyeshadow just to make the white pop a little more. So now I'm just going to go on with my brown lip liner and my clear lip gloss, the Undefeated Black Magic combination. And I just tried this new lip gloss. It has shea butter in it. And I've got to say, I love it. It's definitely up there with the other one that, all black girls use. And I'm looking one right there. So guys, this is the end of the video pretty much. I'm just gonna get dressed and I'll pop back up in 1, 2. To enter the giveaway, I have a few couple of rules coming up. Basically, I need you to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, share my channel with a friend, and prove that you did all 3 of those. Good luck, S Squad. Love ya.